Hello, welcome back to Galvic's YouTube channel. If your business sells to customers in Minnesota, then you may be required to collect and remit sales tax even if you're not physically located there. This is a guide where we're going to cover when you are considered to have a nexus. So let's get started. So, first of all, a nexus is a connection with the state. It could be of two types. One is a physical nexus, and the other one is an economic nexus. As you know, physical nexus is when you have any lease space, a warehouse, retail store, inventory, or employees, or any temporary sales activity. And economic nexus is based on your sales volume and number of transactions. So, in case you do not have any physical presence in Minnesota, then let's check if you have economic nexus. That will be the case when sales threshold is beyond $100,000 and your transactions are more than 200 transactions. So, meeting either the sales or transaction threshold triggers a nexus. This is calculated during the preceding 12 calendar months. Now, the most important question that a lot of businesses get confused with is what exactly is calculated in this threshold. The first one is, are marketplace sales excluded or included from the economic threshold in Minnesota? The answer is no. Sales made through a marketplace facilitator like Amazon, Etsy, or anything else are included in the threshold calculation in Minnesota. Now, the next confusion that a lot of us face is, are wholesale or resale transactions excluded or included from the economic threshold in Minnesota? Now, yes, resale or wholesale transactions are excluded from the economic threshold calculation in Minnesota. In Minnesota, these exempt sales do not push you close to the nexus threshold, but you must maintain valid resale certificates to support this. Now, the next one is, are non-taxable or exempt sales excluded from the economic threshold in Minnesota? The answer is yes, non-taxable sales are excluded from the nexus threshold in Minnesota. These sales are excluded from the threshold calculations, but documentation must be maintained to prove that they are exempt, sales in fact. Once you meet either the economic nexus or physical nexus threshold, you must register for Minnesota sales tax certificate at this portal, which is the MNE services portal, and start collecting sales tax on all taxable sales that are shipped to Minnesota customers. Then, of course, file returns and remit collected taxes to the state. Now, how can you do this? There's a step-by-step process, a tutorial that you can refer to. If you want us to help you take care of this, Galvix is an end-to-end sales tax compliance solution. You can refer to us. We have a nexus tracker that helps you understand where you have a nexus and where you're about to approach a nexus. So if you need help with nexus monitoring, tax calculations, return filing, giving you the confidence and time to focus on what matters, that is your business, then you can refer to us. Check us out at galvix.com, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.